So we drove up yesterday and we were supposed to be working on the suspension of a 997.
That's not a 997.
So we have 5 days to finish this build before Nakai gets here. The interior of the car also isn't in, so we need to get that in. Let's go in and ask Carl how we're doing.
Oh, you're ready.
I'll be
Why do you
looking
look like
way more ridiculous later.
Right, so 22nd June, we have 5 days to finish this car. Tomorrow's Sunday.
Yeah.
I guess we're working on a Sunday.
Well, I want to finish it tomorrow.
You want to finish it when?
Tomorrow.
Oh.
So that we can like prepare for the worst.
Famous last words.
Bet on it. Tomorrow it's done. The only thing that I will not be able to do tomorrow is the management system because the interior is not yet there, but I want to install everything.
Oh, the parts are here. We got the parts all laid out.
I already cut the hose lines to size while waiting for the damn car to finish. So all the front hoses, the rear hoses are here. The harness is already done. And then also the circuit breakers already has its terminals. All the harness. This is actually measured from Ayanami already.
Oh, it's pre-measured?
Yeah, it's pre-measured from Ayanami and Teresa. So it's the exact same measurements from those two cars. So it should just bolt in.
Should.
The problem is the wheels. It's poking out by 10 millimeters on each side.
Oh, that's a lot.
So it's a GT3 RS spec and it's a bit wider than the Carrera. And then they asked Nakai for a spec and Nakai's like, Japanese people are like robots. You ask them one thing, they answer it immediately.
The wheels are also not here.
So what is here?
Just me.
How is here? How is here?
I've been here for 2 days and I've done what I can.
We had pizza.
Yeah, pizza.
We had pizza.
But so far, we only wasted 6 hours.
Only?
Yeah, because I was working yesterday and today. From 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. is the only time wasted.
Finally.
Original Recaro. Recaro pole position, is it? This one no position. Recaro no position.
No, there's no interior panel, so a lot of the struts, access points are already exposed. We'll do the rears first, then the front. The front is the most difficult one, and then install the struts and then hose lines. That's it. You just witnessed magic.
An hour into the build, all the shocks are out of the car already, and we found out all the bushings are a bit worn, but we are ready to put the new Fitment Engineering air suspension into the car. And once the shocks are in, we can run all the wirings, the hose lines, and tomorrow we can do the management system.
We measured the struts from the Philippines. Since I have a 997, Yanami and Teresa, the measurement is very simple. Full pull out, full compression, or like the smallest setting, the lowest setting. Highest setting on the rear, lowest setting on the front, and that's it. That's the measurement for the RWB, the 997s for this strut, specific strut. And then we already plumbed it out. I already finished this a while ago, or like yesterday, while waiting for the car, since I'm rushing through it because I need to make time for what's lost due to the exhaust, But thankfully, we were able to remove everything in an hour. I'll probably install this for another hour till 10 p.m. I want to install the hose lines and the harness before midnight, and I'll call it a day. And I think that's already 70% of the build. Yeah. Hopefully everything works out. The car bit me. Blood has been spilled.
Blood has been spilled.
Now me and the car are forever intertwined.
What do you think about that?
I agree.
So you're blood bound to many cars.
Even Yip's car.
Even Yip's car.
Even Yip's car. A lot of the other RWBs.